Hi kids, welcome back to Color by Mood. Today we are going to learn a very easy letter. You see, this is letter Z. Yes, capital Z and small z, and the sound is Z. Z. Very good. Today we are going to learn how to write letter Z, and we will do the coloring in the pictures and we will write the words also. So, before starting, we are going to learn some colors. This is orange color. This is red color. This is green color. This is blue color. This is purple color. This is pink color. And this is yellow color. Yes. So let's start the writing with pink color. So start from here. Just make a one sleeping line. From here now, one slanting line and other sleeping line, and it comes Z, letter Z, capital Z. Now write small z. Small z is same like capital. One sleeping line, one slanting line and other sleeping line. Now it comes Z, very nice, capital Z, small z, and the sound is Z. Z. Very nice. Now we are going to write on our lines. Here is a dot. Make a one sleeping line. Comes down. Down, down, down. Make a one sleeping line. You see, in 3 lines, capital Z comes in 3 lines. Now write small one. One sleeping line, one slanting line and another sleeping line. Very easy letter. Capital Z, small z. Now write again over here. One sleeping line, one slanting line, another sleeping line, capital Z. Now write small z, sleeping line. Very good. You see, very easy letter. Capital Z, small z. Capital Z, small z. Now we are going to write the words over here and we'll do the coloring also. So, can you guess which picture is this? Yes, this is zoo. Zoo start from letter Z. So, we are going to use yellow color in zoo. Read with me. Z O O zoo. Z O zoo. Very nice. See the next picture. Yes, this is zero. In zero, we are using blue color. Read with me. Z E R O 0. Z E R O 0. Very nice. See the next picture. Yes, this is zebra. This is zebra. In zebra, we are not using any color. Only green color in grass. Read with me. Z E B R A zebra. Z E B R A zebra. Very nice. See the next picture. Yes, this is zip. This is zip. In zip we are using orange color. Read with me. Z I P zip. Z I P zip. Very nice. So we have done all these words which are starting from letter Z. Today we'll learn how to write letter Z, the capital Z and small z. And we done all the words which are starting from letter Z. And we done the coloring in the pictures. So let's repeat it again. Z O O zoo. Z O O zoo. Very nice. Z E R O zero. Z E R O zero. Very nice. Z E B R A zebra. Z E B R A zebra. Very nice. Z I P zip. Z I P zip. Very nice. So we have done all these words. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow for the more. Bye bye.